Okay, folks, you remember this Qantas 787 from last night? Caught this landing at Frankfurt, but she's returning now after she's carrying, she ain't got freight on board, she's empty. So this is a positioning flight. And she's heading to Dubai, which is the inaugural flight. She's heading to, where's she heading after GP? Back to Darwin, isn't it? Yes, could be, no, probably heading to Dubai next, folks. Here we go. Here we go. Go on, son. Bosh! Oh, don't roll yourself off the runway. There you go. So that probably will be our plane to Dubai, I'm guessing. From the iPad. Wow.